The first sticker we made, Andre has it on a rock. Yo, what's good? We're back with another fucking video. I'm here with Lil Dre. Say what's up. Hey, flex on him real quick. Flex.
Niggas know I'm flexing, they know I'm flexing. I'm buying all these clothes cause I'm stripping less.
But we made stickers, and on May 11th, there's gonna be a little event, a pretty big one. There's gonna be a bunch of bands, bunch of creative people, and we're gonna have a booth selling shirts, be giving away those, and it's gonna be lit. You guys need to go. That's the only way to get those stickers, unless we have some left over. But yeah, and then we ordered some new ones, but it's lit. Today we're gonna go skate with Ugly, Dominic, and Lil Andre, and we'll be back. Try to get some.
Set flashing light, boy I flex big, I pop a Glock, boy I pop shit, I rock the show.
What's up, Dom? What's up, Ugly?
What's good, my dude? Look at that. Pull up, May 11th, we'll be there.
Oh. Go. Got it. There you go. Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone. Dang. Let's fucking go. Let's go.
Yeah, I know. Musty out here. Ashpa out here, G. Let's get it.
Hanging out. Alright, new location. We met up with AJ and Dom and Gabe and all those fools, but we're here at some little drop, and it's a hill, but we're gonna skate.
Fucking smoke.
What up, bro?
What up, man?
It's right here.
I got it.
When the heat on, I'm high as fuck, a bezel, throw a beat. Whip, all you hear is scrapes from the boat. I've been trapping all day with the same clothes. I'm so glow, shit, I can fuck your main hoe. Big bank rolls, rainbows, can't fold. Try to ride, keep a pistol, man, I can't go. Put some money on the judge, yeah, the case closed.
Merc. It's still recording!
I'll just do it later, Dom.
10 seconds.
I'm not feeling it right now, Dom. Dom, I'm not feeling it. Don't hit me, Dom. No.
Alright, 10 seconds, right?
I don't want it right now, Dom.
I'll fucking count it.
Dom, I don't want to do
I'll count it, look it. I'll put the stopwatch.
You don't have to go if you don't want to. Dom, I don't want to. I'm not feeling it. I just ate, bro.
So did Dom.
Well, that's Dom, bro. But I'm not.
Look.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to fight right now. My stomach's a little full.
You say you're about it.
Get out of here.
Damn, so you're gonna take the L in front of the vlog?
No, bro, I'm waiting for Dom.
Oh!
No, I'm still a little.
I can't.
No!
Hey, 10 seconds is a while when you're fighting.
How you
Alright.
hit in the stomach once?
Hey, bro, what the fuck?
Alright.
Alright, go. Ready, set. Go, go!
お前はもう死んでいる。
Is that 10 seconds?
No! Fucking Dom the Undertaker.
No, this fucking kid, bro. Fucking albino looking four-eyed bitch.
He called you 4 eyes. He called you 4 eyes. Look at he got 4 eyes right there.
He got fucking.
Boy, if you don't. Oh my god, no. Yo.
And but other than that, that's gonna be the end of the video. We're tired. We just ate. Musty always eating good, but. Nah, but thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment. May 10th. May 10th video. May 11th.
May 11th.
May
Dumbass.
Say it.
11. May 11.
May 11th.
May 11th.
Crib when the heat on. I'm high as fuck. Hey, Bezel, throw a beat. Whip, all you hear is scrapes from the boat. I've been trapping all day with the same clothes. I'm so glow, shit, I can fuck your main hoe. Big bank rolls, rainbows, can't.